And just like that, the first section of the old fence is down. Now we're ready to attach the new rails. We wanted to try something different, so we're going to be going horizontal with the rails instead of vertically, because I have big plans for the new fence. My goal is to transform the entire backyard into an outside oasis, just like my front porch. I'll be sharing more about my future plans in upcoming videos. Tom told me to hold my horses, slow down, and enjoy the process and satisfaction of completing this job first. Tom's clearing the weeds with a shovel and making the ground level so the rail will be flush across the bottom. Tom's using this excess piece of lumber to hold the rail level because the yard slopes. This will keep it level when he goes to attach it to the post. Now it's time to cut the rails to fit the span between the two posts. Tom already measured the distance. He had to use another piece of lumber to even out the slope. Tom's using 2-inch Torx head deck screws to attach the rails to the posts.